guys, today we'll be making a musical instrument. The instrument is a harp. It is simple to make, and here's what you will need. Some wine glasses and some water. I hope you like the experiment. Pour different amount of water. I've done these. I'm going to add the rest of water into there. Dip this finger, all of it, inside. Then use this part of your finger. Use this part of your finger. Rub against the glass. And the less water you have, the higher the note is.
Let's find out if that's the case. So, we go.
Nothing's happening.
There. I can hear something.
That's mine.
Yeah. There, yeah.
More water.
Let's have a little bit in this one. Can I have a bit? So we can reduce the amount and then see what the sound. Now see what the sound is like.
No.
Now reduce it a little bit more and then try again.
And I put the whole thing.
I don't know if we have anymore. What if we put a lot?
We'll see the vibrations.
Wow, look at the difference in sound. Ruben, do you want to do it? Let's try the sound.
I hope you enjoyed making music. I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and to like. Bye!